Today we'll be talking about arithmetic progression. That is AP. Most times you see it as AP. The formula for AP is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 bracket D. While A here is referred to as the first term, our n is regarded as the nth term, while the D is regarded as the common difference. To get your common difference, you do your second term minus your first term, or your third term minus your second term, your fourth term minus your third term, as the case may be. So I'm going to start with the simple example here of AP here, common example. Find the ninth term of the sequence 6, 11, 16, 21, 26. Solution: from the formula, our Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 bracket D. Now, from the sequence here, you can tell that your A here, your first term, which is equals to 6. Your nth term, you're looking for the ninth term, so it's equals to 9. And your common difference, you already know that common difference is second term minus your first term. So you have 11 minus 6, which is what? 5. Or you also do 16 minus 11 to get 5. So from there, we can now substitute A, n, and D into equation 1, into our formula, where you have Tn is equals to 6 plus 9 minus 1 bracket 5. So equals to 6 plus 8 bracket 5. So if you multiply 6 times 5, you have 40. If you add it up, you have 46. So this is our first example here, and the nth term of this sequence is 46. Example 2, we're looking for the 10th term of an AP is 47, and this fourth term of that same AP is 17. Write down the first 3 terms of the sequence. So now here, if you check very well, if you're giving your formula here, you're not giving your A and you're not giving your D. So what we'll do here, we'll do what we call an equation. We have 2 equations here, one for the 10th term and the other one for the 4th term. So for the 10th term, you have T10 is equals to A plus 10 minus 1 bracket D, which is equals to A plus 9. 9 times D is 9D, and is equals to 47. For the 4th term, it becomes A plus 4 minus 1 bracket D. And 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 times D becomes 3D is equals to 17. So this one becomes our equation 1, while this becomes our equation 2. So what I will do now, to solve it, I will eliminate A, that is using the elimination method. I will eliminate A. So to eliminate A, I will do equation 1 minus equation 2. And if I subtract it, I will have A minus A is 0, 9D minus 3D is giving 6D, 47 minus 17 will give me 30. So if I have 6D equals 30, I'll divide both sides by 6. I will cancel out, and my D will equals to 5. So the next thing I'm going to find my first step. My first step here is, to get my first step, I will bring out the equation 1 out. So from here, so I will substitute D as 5 to get my first step. So if I do that, I will have A plus 9 bracket 5 equals to 47. So if I expand this, I will have A plus becomes 45 equals to 47. My A becomes 47 minus 45. Subtracting 45 on both sides, will be limited there equals to 2. So if my A is 2, that's my first term is 2. To get my first 3 terms, I will have 2 as my first term. Now, because your common difference is 5, I will add 5 to this, I will have 7. Adding 5 to 7, I will have 12. So these are my first 3 terms. They have 2, 7, and